Hey guys, it's Fernanda here. So quick and honest review on this Giotto Stain Treater Spray. This is a 4-ounce bottle of stain remover for any kind of baby clothes or also a normal person's clothes. But this is meant for especially for messy kids. Here, for example, I got a little bit of soy sauce into my shirt eating sushi, so I'm gonna use this to eliminate this stain. And this basically cleans stains on any type of clothing that appear helpless. It takes care of anything from coffee and red wine to food stains, and it works super fast, as you can see here. You just wait a few seconds after you spray it and then you gently blot it. And as you can see, it's by the time goes on, it eliminates more of the stain. Safe for clothes, it has no bleach and no harsh chemicals, so I would highly recommend it. It works great and I was so impressed. As you can see here, the stain is gone literally, so definitely check out this product. And this is just a close-up shot of how it looked once it dried. It literally looks like I never stained my t-shirt, so it's great.